Isn't it frightening, sir, that they didn't do the strike anywhere in the border? They've come right up till Pahalgam and in an open area, very Hamas style. You know, those guys attacked at the beach, concert chal raha tha. They came, swooped in and did this. Here they come into an open ground where there are hundreds of people, tourists with their children and all. Clearly locals itne nahi honge in that area. It's not the water area in Pahalgam जहाँ पे locals भी आते हैं. This is an open ground. रैपलिंग चल रही है, हॉर्स राइडिंग चल रही है. लोकल्स अगर होंगे भी तो दिल बी द हॉर्स गाइज और द रैपलिंग जो चलाते हैं वो होंगे लोकल्स. नॉट मेनी लोकल्स. इट्स प्योरली outsiders, which is like outsiders in sense, non-Kashmiris. They choose that. There's one exit point which is a small gate. There's nowhere to run. Tell me about the ops. How have they chosen this? And they exit from there.
So I mentioned
15 minutes, sir.
Yeah, so I said there are 3 layers working on it. I put one layer onto Asif Munir and his ilk, right? The controllers. Now the third spectrum you're talking of is the local support mechanism which exists. Somebody has given this intelligence, the numbers, timing, location where the security resources have to respond will take nothing less than 20 to 25 minutes or 30 minutes. The area of gateway, the terrain layout, bringing them inside, carrying out this operation and thereafter ensuring that they melt inside. Who has provided this kind of information? These are the front int operatives of these elements who give these details. So I'm sure somebody on that resort, just saying, on the payroll, has given all these issues, including the type of people who are staying there. Possibility of a serving naval officer, possibility of some other operatives. People are talking of some int operatives celebrating some holidays and all there. All these things have come with some degree of information to them. So this is the third element. So the timing, the plan, location has been well
You know
scouted.
it because there are mukbis always.
Yeah. So absolutely. There's a third layer which is there.
And